Now we have a logo. We procured tables, chairs, filing cabinets, and curtains for our alumni office. So, to everybody, hinain room ng alumni homecoming ay alumni office to up the stairs. Hinain side. And in collaboration with the Ifugao Provincial Health Office, we conducted lectures, fora on anti-bullying, anti-smoking, and addiction with the grade 9 students of this school. With the help of some DBHS students, we did the clean-up drive from DPWH to Dugong and we converged at the plaza. And we had a General Assembly yesterday, December 28, which was